This is the KPX100 setup for multi-user mode, following instructions from the KPX100 Quick Start Guide. The KPX100 comes from the factory set in single user mode. To enter the factory set master code, press 0000 star. You're now in program mode. To change to multi-user, press 8901, then pound. The double beep confirms acceptance. Enter a new master code. At this time, press 0, which is location. In this case, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, then pound. Double beep again confirms acceptance. To set user 1 on relay 1, you press 1, then the location code 00, then any 4 to 8 digit number. In this case, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, and then pound. That confirms acceptance. To set the second user, press 1, location 01, then any 4 to 8 digit number. In this case, I'm going to use 2222, pound. Again, confirms acceptance. Continue this up to 99, changing the location code each time. To set users on relay 2, you would press 2, then location 0, since there's only 10. Then you would press any 4-digit code, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 333. It can be 4 to 8 digits. Press pound. Confirms acceptance. To change your relays to toggle mode for relay 1, you would press 4-1, then pound. To set relay 2 to latch or toggle mode, you would press 5-1, then pound. Confirms acceptance. To exit programming mode, you would press star. Now you can test your installation. 1, 2, 3, 4, pound. Relay 2 is in toggle mode. You saw where it came on and stayed on. The red light is continuous. The yellow light up on the relay contact showing it's in constant mode. To remove it, press the same code again, and it will release. Relay 1 is still in momentary, and you can set your output time.